You know how most AI tools can generate images, but when you try to build a full story, they all fall apart. Like one picture looks great, but the next one has a different face, lighting, or the style. Well, this one changes that completely. It's called Hickfield's Popcorn AI, and it's designed to make AI stories actually consistent. Instead of giving you random images, it helps you create a connected visual story where the same character, background, and the art style continues perfectly. Now, what is Popcorn AI? Popcorn AI is a new AI creation platform developed by Higgsfield. This is the same company working on the next gen creative AI tool. It's built around the idea that creators shouldn't have to fight with the separate tools just to make a scene or a story. Here, everything happens in one place. You give it a prompt or an image, and Popcorn turns that into a full cinematic sequence. Think of it like giving direction to a digital movie crew, and they instantly bring it to life. One of the most powerful parts of Popcorn AI is character consistency. You can start with one character, maybe upload a face or generate one, and Popcorn keeps the same character across every frame and pose. There's big difference from most AI tools where each output looks like a different person. Here, Popcorn uses Hickfield's in-house model to keep details stable. Now let's jump straight into the tool. Once you click the link given in the video description, you will be landed on the dashboard of Hickfield's Popcorn AI. The interface looks really clean. You will see two main options right away, the manual mode and the auto mode. Both modes are very simple and easy to use. It just depends on how much control you want. Now let's go ahead and first test the auto mode. Here you could simply go ahead and upload reference image, or if you don't have, skip it and just use the text prompt. Let me paste my quick prompt in the prompt section. Then I choose how many results I want between 1 and 8 and select my aspect ratio. For vertical videos like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you can pick 9 ratio 16. For cinematic widescreen, you can choose 4 ratio 3 or 16 ratio 9. Now let's go ahead and hit the generate button and it will generate in few seconds. You will see it process frame by frame and within moments. Popcorn generates a beautiful sequence, not just one random image, but a connected storyline. Each frame keeps the same character, same look, and same lighting. That's something most AI tools still struggle with. Now, if you like the one image out of these four, you could just go ahead, edit it, animate it, upscale it, or download it. Let's say I like this picture, let me go ahead and download it to my computer. Now to show you how consistent it stays, I will run another quick demo. This time I will upload a picture of a man and one of an iPhone, and I will type the prompt: a man walks through Tokyo holding the object from image 2 in cinematic lighting, and I will select three outputs and 4:3 ratio and hit generate. In just a few seconds it creates an amazing sequence. Each image looks like detailed and cinematic with perfect lighting, reflection, and a color balance. That's the magic of popcorn. It blends your references with your text prompt perfectly. If you don't like the results, you don't need to go through everything else again. Just go ahead and click on generate button again. In a few moments, it will again generate stunning images for you. Now, if you want complete control, switch to the manual mode. Here, you can upload up to 4 reference images and describe what happened in each scene individually. I will upload 2 reference images. Then, in the scene 1, I will write two men walking near the sea at sunset. And in scene 2, I will write the same characters sitting together at the night under glowing lanterns. After clicking generate, Popcorn creates both scenes with the same character, outfits, and overall look, just like a movie sequence. This is where the tool becomes really powerful for creators. If you are building AI short films, storyboards, or cinematic concept, this level of visual consistency can save you hours of manual editing. Now let's take this one step further. I will pick one of the images from this scene where both men are sitting discussing something under the lanterns. To bring it to life, I will paste this command that two men discussing something under glowing lanterns in a cinematic lightning. Then from the animation option, I will select Sora True and just wait for few seconds.
As broodtitten aan de life Jalan in the day with it and this is Suffolk. And warning how to the people to move.
Popcorn instantly turned these still frames into a smooth cinematic animation, almost like a short movie clip. You can even adjust motions, camera depth, and speed of extra realism. And that's what makes Higgsfield's popcorn stand out. It's not just about generating images, it's about turning your imagination into living and breathing visual stories. If you would like to try it yourself, the link is in the description below. Go check it out, experiment with your own prompt, and see how far your creativity can go. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more amazing AI tool demos like this. See you in the next one.